Shirley and Beef's underwater disco kingdom. It was bedtime, and Shirley grabbed Beef from her pillow. His crooked red bow tie wiggled as she held him up high. "Tonight we're going to the underwater disco kingdom," Shirley announced, making Beef do a little dance. She tucked him under her arm and started counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dive, dive, dive. Her bedroom swirled like water going down a drain. The walls turned into rippling blue waves, and then Shirley and Beef landed underwater, but they could breathe. The ocean floor glowed with rainbow coral. Fish swam past wearing tiny sunglasses, and in the distance was a palace made of pearls with colorful lights flashing inside. That must be the disco. Shirley kicked her feet and zoomed forward through the water, Beef's bow tie streaming behind him like a cape. But just as they reached the entrance, a tiny voice cried out, "Oh no." Shirley looked down and saw a bright orange octopus with purple spots wearing a tiny top hat. All 8 of his arms were tangled up in knots. "I'm Ollie the Octopus," he wailed. "I'm supposed to DJ the biggest party of the year, but my tentacles are all tangled. The party starts in 10 minutes. Shirley looked at Beef. Beef looked at Shirley. "We can fix this," Shirley said. "We need slippery seaweed, a fish bone comb, and sea cucumber lotion. I have those in my DJ booth." Ollie pointed with his only free arm. Inside the disco was amazing. A glowing dance floor, bubble mirror balls, and speakers made from giant shells. Shirley propped Beef up to supervise while she got to work. She rubbed lotion on Ollie's tentacles to make them slippery, worked the seaweed between the knots, and combed each arm smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all done. Ollie stretched all his arms wide. "I'm free. I'm ready to disco." Suddenly, sea creatures poured in, dancing dolphins, grooving sea turtles, color-changing jellyfish, and even a fancy whale in a sparkly vest. Ollie zoomed to his booth and put on his headphones. Hit it. Boom, boom, chicka, chicka, splash, splash, wiggle. The music exploded. Shirley grabbed Beef and they danced, spinning through the water. The dolphins did backflips. The turtles did the robot. The jellyfish pulsed to the beat. Ollie used all 8 arms at once, scratching records, spinning turntables, waving glow sticks. He was amazing. "Shirley, Beef, come up here," Ollie called, handing them microphones. "You saved the party. Give it up for Shirley and Beef." Everyone cheered. Fish threw confetti. Seahorses blew party horns. The whale shot rainbow bubbles. Shirley held up Beef. "Adventures are way more fun with a best friend. Now let's dance." They danced and danced, the wiggle waggle, the bubble boogie, the seaweed shake. Electric eels created a light show. Seahorses brought kelp chips and glowing plankton juice that tasted like cherry lemonade. "This is the best party ever." Shirley laughed, pretending to feed Beef a cookie. But then the music grew softer. Farther away, Shirley felt sleepy. Thank you, Shirley and Beef. Ollie's voice echoed as the lights swirled together. When Shirley opened her eyes, she was back in bed. Beef was tucked under her arm, but now he wore tiny headphones and glow-in-the-dark sunglasses. Beef, you look like a cool DJ, Shirley giggled. Around her neck was a seashell necklace that still smelled like the ocean. She yawned and kissed Beef's forehead. Tomorrow night, dinosaur dance party. Beef's button eyes winked behind his sunglasses. You're my best friend ever, Beef. Good night. And as she drifted off, she could still hear boom chicka splash splash wiggle. The end. Sweet dreams.